Look at this thing. The TQQQ. This was on my watch list. Right out the gate, bruh. You could have just grabbed some calls to the upside, bro. Like, stress-free, bro. Stress-free plays on this watch list. It's not hard. Look, you got red to green right here. You see us consolidating and chopping around our indicators. The short-term VWAP and the 9 EMA. Once you see it cross over all three, and we're already over the 120, you know it's safe to go ahead and grab some calls to the upside and just ride it up for the rest of the day, bro. That's a freaking easy little stress-free money printer right there, bro. Look, stress-free, bro. You get in your position when we cross over our indicators and sit there and just watch your gains go up for the rest of the day, bro. Stress-free, bro. And I think that's about it. I think that's all I had on my watch list. No, I think I had this one was on there too. I mean, that thing didn't really do nothing. I mean, you would have had to catch this in pre-market. It ran up. What goes up must come down. And when you see a move go up that much, it's emotional, bro. It's, what do you call it? When you're chasing. Oh, this is FOMO. This is emotional, bro. Chasing and FOMO, fear of missing out. When you see something running up like that, that's FOMO, bro. So you know, once we get up here and start topping out, this thing's just gonna crack to the downside, bro. And you could have sold that rip. Being that it's pre-market, you would have probably had to short it via equity. I mean, what a rip. And there was one more I had on there. Oh, Mullen. We all know about Mullen. I mean, Mullen, I don't know about the fundamentals on that company. The fundamentals are looking a little sus if you ask me. But we don't care about that. We don't care about that. All we care about is the volatility that can give us some price action to trade off of in the interim during intraday. So again, this thing's and Mullen is one of those stocks that you know what I mean, like comes out with these catalysts every now and then, which brings some attention and excitement to the name and causes it to give you moves and volatility to trade off of. That's what Mullen is. That's how you need to be looking at a stock like Mullen. You know, just waiting for it to come out with its next catalyst to give us some price action and range to trade off of. And that's exactly what it did. Because the fundamentals on this thing are looking suspect at best. But I did see them making some moves, like basically acquiring other companies and the patents and rights to other companies, and I think they're trying to build their way up that way. As of now, it's still relevant, but look, sold that rip. Even if you don't sell it during pre-market, right off the open, when you see us, you know, like, if you don't want to trade during pre-market, that's fine. But once you see us come out and look like we're trying to put in a bullish pattern, look, a higher low, another higher low. Once we get up to VWAP, we reject. All right? Right at the top, it's a little more risky. So you'd probably want to wait for the next candle to open up. You feel me? And put in a lower low and a lower high. And at the same time, while it's doing that, a wick is also reaching up and rejecting off of VWAP, creating downward selling pressure, cracking VWAP, the short term, and the 9. So right there, you could be looking to go ahead and sell that rip at least down to the 120 and possibly further. And looking back on hindsight, decent play. all those stocks and tickers and charts I just showed you were on my watch list this morning. All right. When I first started trading, bro, man, a watch list like this, bro, would have been a lifesaver for me. So why more people aren't taking advantage of it, I don't know. But I will continue to show you the opportunity that the watch list brings. All right. But again, it's your boy E with some finance solutions. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell, and get the hell over to my Patreon and Discord to sign up for that daily morning briefing and watch list, which gives you that edge, brethren. Peace.